Devils, they aren't people. They are styrofoam white plate. We're going to be in there poking through windows and different things, observing. Please don't fire at us.
Target acquisition.
Yeah, target acquisition. White plates, big. Yeah, it's going to be hard to tell, miss the difference. When you guys are settled, let me know so I can bring up shooters.
Roger.
Okay. All right, so we'll.
Come on with your pistol, dude. You should.
All right. Here we go.
Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys.
Here we go, guys.
Take your time. Take your time.
Take your time.
Slow, slow, slow. Scan up, scan down.
Scan high, scan low.
Muzzle.
Nice.
You're all in. You're all in.
You're committed. You're committed. Go, go. Nice, nice.
Oh, missed that one. Uh-oh. Hold on. Uh-oh. Get in there. Here you go.
Slap it on the bottom. It's all right.
All right, thanks, guys.
Yeah, time and opportunity. You'd be surprised how many people go ahead and call out on a bang. Even though it doesn't count as a hit, a lot of people just call out, they don't know. Which is a little. Go ahead and start it.
Left clear.
Go, I can't hear you.
Riley's coming out! All clear.
Which a real flash means 160. They know you're coming. Go, go, go. Be loud.
They know you're coming.
Go, keep going, keep going, take your positions!
Go, 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 go.
They know we're coming!
To the left. Oh, probably should do that again.
Yep, should do that again. That one's not working either.
Yep.
It's on safety.
Watch out, watch out. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Don't stop.
Transition. You're not shooting. You're not shooting.
Here, left.
Right, clear.
Clear.
Stack up.
Not over. Damn sure not over.
Keep moving.
Gun devil coming out.
All clear. Keep moving, move. Move. He said all clear. Let's go. Move.
Go. Ready for it, man? Let's go. Let's go to the next thing.
Thanks.
Left clear. Right clear. Go all clear.
We're good.
All clear. Stack up.
Gun devil's coming out.
Clear.
Amen.
Shot.
All right.
Surprise, go. Dynamic. Stop.
Still aren't figuring out where they are.
They just keep coming.
What?
Right clear.
Make sure scan and top off is needed.
That devil's coming out.
All clear.
That's altered. Here, before I forget. You let me borrow a battery this morning.
Oh yeah.